Okay, so far we've done code for the right arrow key, right key press. Okay, but now we want to do it for all of the other key presses. So let's remind ourselves, what is the key? E dot which. So what are the keys? What are the codes for the keys? If I press the right arrow, it's 39. If I press the left arrow, 37, write that down. 37 is left. If I press the up arrow, 38 is up. And if I press the down arrow is 40, key code 40. Okay, great. Let's head back. And so now we're going to do everything exactly the same except for left. So go down to the end of the if statement. Let's add a else if, right? Else if e dot which, let's do e dot which is, let's do left arrow 37. Okay, then perform this code and let's write what that is. This is left key press. Okay, else if e dot which equals, let's go for up 38. Then we're going to, that will be up key press. Okay, so all right, great. And I believe one or two more, we say else if e dot which is down 40, then we'll say that is a down key press. That's a down key press. Okay, and we actually should put one more. Else if the key press is the one for the letter E, which I think is 69. We can verify. And that will be for eat, when I want the bunny to eat. Eat. So maybe let's add a alert just to test and make sure. Say if you press, so I'll just press the E key, press letter E, it says 69, so perfect, and it says eat. Good, we're good to go. I press the right arrow, 39, okay, we're good. So, okay, so now let's put in all of the code that we need for left, the left key press. So it's going to be almost identical. Okay, I think up to there. Okay, so almost identical. Let's add these lines here just to ensure we know what is the new code we're pasting in. Okay, there we go. So if we're going left, we want the column to go down by 1, -1. And also, the column cannot be, if the column is less than or equal to 0, then just don't go any more to the left. Okay, so let's save that and see if that works. Okay, so right key, oops, I should remove that. Left key. Oh, it looks like it's working. Left key again, let's go and inspect. And it says, you have reached the edge of the board. So that was actually pretty simple. The code was almost identical, except for incrementing and decrementing. So let's remove that. We no longer need this alert. And okay, so now that we have that, let's copy it again and do it for the up key press. So this was left, Okay, actually, let's get those double lines there. Let's get the forward slashes. Okay, so this is the up key press. So that means we are working on the row. So if you're going up, then it's the row that is decrementing by 1, right? And so in that case, yes, the row cannot be less than, so not column, row cannot be less than 0. Or if it's 0, just exit. Okay. Now we won't be able to test this, or not well. We will copy this and now do it for the down key press. Okay, and let's paste that. And so now the row is incrementing by 1. It's adding up. Okay, let's try it out. Oh, we forgot. If the row is greater or equal to max row, say sorry, we need to exit. Refresh. Okay, let's get the full screen. So down arrow is working, right arrow working, down, down, down. Good. So the square is not disappearing. Let's see what we're getting on the console. So right now, it's, so if I press down arrow, let's go here, down, 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 and one more time. It says you have reached the edge of the board. Okay, let's go left. Yeah, so it looks like it's working, and great. So that was actually pretty easy. Okay, so next on the list